Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the North Face Glacier Pro quarter zip fleece. So this fleece is pretty popular in the hiking world. Do you know what? Let's go straight into the key features. So first off, it's a 100-weight fleece, so it's great for spring, summer, autumn, even winter time in a 3-in-1 system. It features Polartec technology in it, which basically means it's going to keep you cool when it's hot and it's going to keep you nice and warm when it's cold. Polartec is fantastic at reacting to your core body temperature, keeping you comfortable on the trails or whilst backpacking. It features a 4-way stretch, which I will go into a little bit more detail later on. Basically means if you are doing a bit more activity, the fleece is gonna move and react with you, which again coinciding with the Polartec technology, just basically means it's got a great performance when it comes to it. And also as well, it is made from recyclable material. So it's 100% recyclable materials, made from 100% recyclable material, which is fantastic, which is what more companies need to do in this world. So nice work, North Face, for adding that to Glacier, which to be honest with you is one of their most popular fleeces. Anyway, that's the key features. Let's take a closer look at the fleece itself. So first off, it is a quarter zip fleece, which basically means, yeah, you'll be able to get it on over your head, basically. The zip itself's got a nice easy glide system to it. You've got a flap underneath there, storm flap. So basically what that means is there's a little bit of wind chill wherever you're hiking or backpacking. The fleece itself, or the wind chill itself, isn't going to go straight through the zip and then interfere with your core body temperature. Having that, that wind stopper fleece section on there just helps stop the the cold wind or the cold weather interfering with your core body temperature. So the jacket itself, or should I say the fleece, is a 4-way stretch. So funnily enough, it is nice and stretchy. So if you are climbing, if you are scrambling, if you're doing a bit of fast-paced hiking, fast-paced trail running, this fleece will move and react with you a lot quicker than a standardized, normal, traditional fleece, I guess. And again, working with the Polartec technology, that means it's going to react to your body temperature more, which means it's going to keep you cool when you start overheating, and it's going to keep you nice and warm if you stop and all the weather gets a little bit chilly, basically. What you'll notice around the key areas of the fleece itself, you've got this additional stretch material. It's more abrasion resistant. So basically, no matter what sort of trekking or backpacking or running you're going to be doing, the sections of padding are a little bit more hard wearing, which means this fleece is going to last a lot longer than, say, a traditional fleece, just due to the fact that it's more abrasion resistant. As I say, you've got it on the chest there. It goes over to the shoulders, as well as on the fleece, the sleeve as well. So again, the high traffic, the high wear areas, they've got this additional material to stop that abrasion. The only pocket you have on the fleece is on the chest here. Nice and spacious. It pretty much is that whole section there. Again, it works with the stretch material. It is fleece lined on the inside as well. So depending on whatever you put in there, whether it's some sunglasses or your GPS, it's not going to abrasion, it's not going to scratch anything on the inside, and whatever you put in there is safe and secure. Now, the only other key feature I'd like to show you is the elastication. So on the cuffs themselves, they've got a nice soft elastication, so it's not too tight, it's not going to be too uncomfortable around your wrists, but that just basically means it's going to help trap the air, keep you nice and warm. And again, working with that Polartec means the fleece, the sleeve, is going to work with you. And then on the base as well, you've got that same elastication. It's a little bit more flexible, which is going to be which is needed, to be fair, because obviously it's got to react a little bit quicker for especially if you're going to be doing some scrambling or whatever. But again, it's slight. It's got that nice easy elastication, but it's going to hug you nicely. It's not going to be too compressing, should we say, on your hips there. As you can see on the main pad, that whole abrasion resistant basically goes down to the midsection here, which is awesome. And then on the back, like I said earlier, you've got a padding on the back there, which is ideal if you've got a harness system, or should I say a backpack system, or anything that goes above the shoulders. Again, that's just going to stop the wear and tear and also makes it a little bit more comfortable. And that's basically the back system here. Let me just briefly show you. So the liner on the inside as well, it is nice and soft to touch. So if you are wearing this, say in the spring, it's a little bit chilly in the mornings, but you've got a t-shirt on, you can wear that. You can wear this over the top of your t-shirt. and that's going to be nice and soft against your skin. And that is basically it. Yeah, it's a classic from North Face, but with the additional 4-way stretch and the more abrasive material, should I say. It basically means if you are doing things that are slightly more on the adventurous side, it's gonna tick all those boxes. So yeah, who is this for? Like I said, it's for the adventure. So if you're scrambling, you're doing a bit of climbing, a bit of backpacking, but you don't need a 200 weight fleece, or if you've got a 3-in-1 system and you don't want a 200 weight fleece underneath your waterproof jacket, like myself, I get quite hot pretty quickly. So even in the winter time, I would wear this sort of fleece over a 200. This is perfect for you. Due to the 4-way stretch, again, if you're scrambling, if you're climbing, you're doing a lot of more activities on the trail, this fleece will move with you. It's gonna help that Polartec react with your core body temperature, like I keep saying. So yeah, the adventurous type, but hey, if you're going, commuting in the morning in the spring and summertime, and there's a little bit of a nip in the air, and you just need something to keep you warm in the morning, this is definitely something to consider as well. Anyway, if you want any more information about the Glacier Pro fleece, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is pinned in the comments below. And whilst you're over there, you'll see a pretty cool initiative that we're doing, which is place an order, plant a tree. So for every order that is placed on our website, webtogs.com, we are going to be planting a tree, which is fantastic. It's something that we're super excited for, and we're so happy that we're doing it over at Webtogs HQ. But what a lot of people don't realize is how eco-friendly our warehouse is. So as of recording, we've got our carbon emissions down by 93.5%. So that within itself is fantastic. Our warehouse is one of the most eco-friendly warehouses in Europe. No, do you know what? The world. It's one of the most eco-friendly warehouses in the world. So just from ordering us from there, you're helping reduce carbon emissions, which is fantastic. But if you marry the two, so the place an order, plant a tree, and our eco-friendly warehouse, if you marry the two, it does something rather special, which is one order. So that one order that you place at webtogs.com, we plant that one tree. So that one tree wipes out the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders. How amazing is that? So just from you placing an order for us, we're planting a tree, you're also helping eliminate your own order, as well as 3 other orders on the Webtogs website, which is fantastic. And guess what? Those 3 other orders that someone's going to be placing, or those 3 individual orders are going to be placing, guess what that means? They're also going to be planting trees as well. So it really is, 1, helping out the environment, and 2, yeah, the world needs more trees. So this is a fantastic initiative that, that we're doing as well. We're super excited by it. Anyway, if you want to find out more information about that as well, again, it's all going to be linked in the comments below, or should I say pinned in the comments below. Anyway, I'll leave you guys and girls there. Hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you're watching this video. Let me know in the comments below actually where you're watching this and what time it is. Yeah, that'd be interesting for future reference. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and happy trails.